Hello! Triangular edges help the colors to merge well. Sandpaper can also make the edges blunt and even sharp too. Scumbling is applying a loose hand over an existing layer. Start with a glaze and a broken film appears. Blending. Colors can be blended with earbuds, as I'll show soon. These earbuds have cotton only. Tissue paper can also be used to do blending, which can be turned and used many times. Paper stubs or blenders also can be used. A thicker one for larger areas and vice versa. You can even use your fingers to do blending. Feathering. This is a kind of hatching only. In this video, I am showing you the various ways of using oil pastels on your subject. That is the coloring with oil pastels on your subject. Tint. When any color is made lighter by applying white over it, we can use white or any other light color, say peach also. The light color can be made darker as shown here, and shading is done by mixing black with a color. While coloring, you can work with a heavy hand by putting lot of pressure or with a light hand. Both ways are the beautiful ways. This is totally your choice. Baby oil. As oil pastels are made of non-drying mineral oil and wax binder, baby oil and turpentine can be used. I am using turpentine here. Little turpentine I have taken with a flat brush. I'll merge these two colors. You can also use a round brush to do merging here. Graffito. In graffito, use as many colors you want and cover it with a dark blue or a black color by putting lot of pressure and scratch out an image you want with any sharp tool available or the tool that is there in your oil pastel box. Artist oil pastels are the best. Layering. Here, no need to use a paper stub or oil or a tissue paper. We can merge the colors by layering one color over the other. With this, different effect comes, surely. But you can make it a darker shade also by merging the colors again and again over each other. Etching. With a sharp tool given with your oil pastel box or any sharp tool available, engrave an image, but remember to engrave well and hard and carefully, otherwise the image will not appear after coloring on it. The image will not be clear enough that you had engraved. See? So engrave carefully and little hard and you will see the image, that is the word appearing clearly. Child, stippling is coloring with dots on your subject. This is also called pointillism. You can clean your pastels with a tissue paper. Pastel paper is available to use pastel colors, but generally thick and rough paper is preferred.